right, let's see. Combining like terms. All right, so number one says match the expression with the correct property used. CD equals DC. No operation sign mean multiplication, so that'll be your one for multiplication. This will be a distributive property, because that would mean we would have to do 4 times 2x, and then we would have to do 4 times -3. So that is your descriptive property. And this is your associative property of addition, pretty much telling you I can change the way I add, and I'm still get the same answer. All right, number two, combine like terms and create equivalent expressions. Like terms got to have the same variables or constants together. And in this problem, we see we got 6b and 7b. So we can just add those two together. 6 plus 7 will give us 13b. And we can't do anything with -10, but bring it with us. All right, number three. In Albany, it is -4 degrees Fahrenheit. In Chicago, it is 14 degrees Fahrenheit. And in Minneapolis, it is -11 degrees Fahrenheit. And in Toronto, it's -13. And which city is the coldest? So that's what we got to remember. The higher the negative, the lower it is. So in that instance, we want to find our highest negative value, which looks like -14. So Chicago will be the coldest. All right, looking at the next, combine like terms and create equivalent expression. Once again, we got 2x and 3x. Add that together, we'll get 5x, and we still got our +4 at the end. All right, number 5. What is the reciprocal of 3 and 3/7? Reciprocal means to flip, but before we can flip it, we need to first flip it to a mixed number. 3 times 7 will give us 21, plus 3 will give us 24. So if we have 24 seconds, and we take the reciprocal, as I stated, we're going to flip it. So that means we're going to change the numerator and the denominator and vice versa. So our answer will be 7/24 for the reciprocal. All right, combine like terms with great equivalent expression. Before we can do that, we need to do the distributive property. Times y will give us 3y. 3 times 2 will give us a +6. And we still got our 4 in the beginning and our y. So now we can combine like terms. So that'll be y and 3y. If it don't have a number in the front, put a 1. So there's 1y plus 3y to give us 4y. And then we got a +4 plus 6, which will give us +10 or a +10. All right, it is which of the following is the same as 3/5 divided by 4/7. So when we divide fractions, we keep the first fraction. We change the multiplication, the division sign of multiplication, and then we take the reciprocal or flip the second fraction. So instead of 4/7, we should have 7/4. And that looks like D. All right, number 8 asks which of the following is equivalent to 6s plus 2s plus 5. So combine those like terms. 6s plus 2s will give us 8s. And then we still got our 5. All right, looking at 9. It reads the football team lost 4 yards on 2 plays in a row. So that'll be -4, -4. And it said right, the injury represents the change in field position. Both of them have the same sign, so we'll add 4 and 4, which will give us 8. And since both are negative, -8. A loss of 8 yards. All right, number 10. Bennett and Larissa each rewrite the following expression: A plus 2A plus 7 plus 4 plus 3A. Bennett writes 4A plus 11B plus 3A, and Larissa writes 7A plus 11. Which student wrote an equivalent expression? All right, so let's combine our like terms. So we got 3A, 2A to get 5A plus 1A and another 1 gives us 7A. And 7 plus 4 would give us 11. So that would be Larissa. And you kind of should have recognized with Bennett that for some reason he has a 11B. So where did he get the variable B from?